Hello, crafty friends! My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome to day 4 of my Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their Advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 4, the gift was a die set that featured a wavy fishtail banner die and then 3 additional dies to cut sentiments from that first piece. Off camera, I cut 5 total banners using a variety of cardstocks, and my color inspiration was color cube card number 391. Since I wanted an odd amount, I just chose 5 of the colors, and from the orange one, I used the Hello Friend sentiment die from the set. I wanted the die set to be the main feature of today's square, and I wanted to show some other ways you can use it. For me, I'm going to use it as some colorful stripes, and then I'm going to use it as it was intended to have that sentiment piece. I cut a square of white cardstock that was 2.5 by 2.5, and then I took some time to arrange each of the stripes so they had about as even spacing as I could get from top to bottom. Now that did take me a while, so I did most of it off camera, and I adhered down all of the strips except the Hello Friend. For that piece, I backed it with a white wavy fishtail banner to help the sentiment stand out on the front, and then before I add that to the square, I trimmed off the excess parts of the other pieces. This way they'll just look like stripes across there instead of those fishtail banners. To help make the sentiment piece stand out from the rest of the stripes, I added some foam tape off camera, and then before I placed that onto the square, I did add some liquid glue, so I had some wiggle time to get that on there just right. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. To finish today's project, I cut a blue square mat that was 2 3/4, and then I cut my background square, which is always 3 inches for this series, out of the same orange as the sentiment piece. I layered all of these together with some liquid glue and gave them time to dry completely. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.